Anthony De Silva from Ambili. This is my request, humble request, not to any individual, not to for any CM or PM. This is my only request to the BJP government that in case if you are looking for 2024, the 2 seats from Goa for the Lok Sabha elections, my humble request, please demolish that illegal bungalow at Old Goa heritage site. One matter is that you people all the time say now that the matter is sub judice in the court. Fine, it's okay. We also respect the highest authority of India. But you can always do it amicably. Again I am saying, do it amicably as soon as possible before things get from bad to worse for your Lok Sabha elections in Goa. You are targeting both the seats. I am telling you, you may even lose both the seats. So it is for you, the BJP government, to decide what is your priority, both the seats or the illegal bungalow at Old Goa. So decision is yours. All the authorities in the BJP government, please look into this matter as soon as possible. Don't let these things escalate in the minds of the people of Goa and India. Get this illegal bungalow at Old Goa heritage site demolished before both the seats of the Lok Sabha in Goa get demolished. Dev Baran Karu.